Now I've used both of those instruments for there in the intro, and I'm not really sure what I should do for this one.
Welsh!
Hello, or as we say in Wales, iechyd da, which means good health. In this installment, I will be shaking the foundations of your very world. Are you prepared for it? Now, from a very early age, we are taught that there are very few constants in this world. You know, the few we've got pi, we've got the speed of light, and you've got Biggs and Wedge. Very few constants. And one of these true constants that's hammered into you time and time again is that there's no I in team. There is no I in team. There is no I in team. Well, in Welsh, there's an I in team. In fact, in Welsh, the I is so important that there's a little circumflex on the top of it, just to really stress just quite how important it is. There you have it, the I right in the middle, look. I mean, I do think that this spelling is responsible for a lot of the troubles of Welsh sporting teams. Like, I told last week about how you're only allowed one Welsh footballer that's any good. It's because of that, basically. No, it is slightly more complicated than that, because in Welsh that letter isn't pronounced I, it's pronounced E. E dot more specifically, because it's an E with a dot on the top. It's very clever. But I think the reason that that still works is there's no I in team, there might be an E in a Welsh team. And that's because when you watch a Welsh team play, it's the visual equivalent of the noise I am an awful patriot. Now over to me on the TV with the vocabulary. Thank you very much. This week's word is parch. Respect. Here's some usage for you. Hey, wnes I just cynnichio? Do, oedd e'n gwefreiddiol? Oedd, mi roedd e'n wefreiddiol. Parch. Also, I don't mean to freak you out, but I have gained the ability to matter transport things inside of the television. Parch. Thank you, me on the TV. Now, if any of you are annoyed that I've been pretty much laying into the Welsh national teams of late, then I am sorry, I will stop. Here's the end of my video about Cymru. Check out my nifty tartan trilby. Soon I will be gone, but here are some links for you to click on. Sketches. Vlogs. They are musical. And tasty. And there is a website. Website. Type it in. Go and visit the website.